Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your PS4 require your account password when making purchases from the PlayStation Store. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Wallet. In Wallet Options, click Purchase Settings. Click where it says Require Password for Purchases and change it to Yes. Click Confirm once you've done that. From now on, when you try to make a purchase on your PS4, it will require your password before confirming it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.